Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the 7th design in this course. This is the design that we will be working on. So we start by opening a new page. I already did it and I already have the colors placed right here. Now we select the ellipse tool. We hold the shift button and we draw a symmetrical circle right here. Then we activate the stroke and we select the pen tool and we draw a straight line like this. We drag it and we put it right here. We rotate it a little bit like this. Perfect. Then I hold the Alt button and we drag it like this to duplicate it. We select the two lines, we hold the Alt button and we drag them like this to duplicate them both. Then we rotate the two lines and we put them right here. And I drag them right here. Perfect. Just a little bit. And here we are. Perfect. Now we select the whole shapes. Then we go to the shape builder tool. We select it and we delete the leftovers like this. Perfect. Now I unselect the Alt button and I select this part like this and I keep dragging like this to merge the shapes together. I click and drag like this to merge shapes together. Just select any shape and merge them like this. Perfect. Now we select this part and we use the eyedropper tool to paint it with this color. We select the gradient tool and we change the gradient angle like this. And we make it like this. Perfect. Now we select this part. Again, we use the eyedropper tool to paint it with this color, the orange color. We select the gradient tool and we reverse the angle like this. And we put it like this. Perfect. Now we select the third part. We use the eyedropper tool to paint it with the green color. Then we select the gradient tool and we rotate the angle of the gradient like this. Sorry, I need to go back. Like this. Now it's perfect. Now for the fourth part, we select it. We use the eyedropper tool to make it in this color. It's a mix between purple and pink. We adjust the gradient angle like this and we put it here. Perfect. Now we select the whole shape. We uncheck or deactivate the stroke. I select the shape like this part, then I go to edit copy and edit paste in place. Perfect. Now we activate the fill. We click on this part, we select it, then we go to the gradient, we get this window and we select white and black, or maybe, yes, white and black will be perfect. We select the white, we make the opacity at 0, then we adjust the opacity of the black or the gradient like this to make sure that the shape have kind of a shadow effect. We adjust the opacity of the black color like this. You don't have to stick to the same metrics I use. You can change the settings if you want. I'm just showing you the tools and the techniques. Now we select this part. Again, we go to edit, copy, paste in place. And we change it to white and black in here. Sorry, I need to go back and select the rectangle tool and I make another rectangle here because I have an extra color. I use the eyedropper tool and I select this color to make it right here, to make things easier for us. Now we go to this part and we select this color like this, and then we can adjust it using the gradient tool like this, just a little bit. Same thing here. We select this part, we go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place, then we use the eyedropper tool to paint it with this color, and we adjust it with the gradient tool like this. Perfect. Now to the fourth part, we select it. First I need to adjust its gradients a little bit before I go to edit. Now it looks perfect. Now we select it, we go to edit, copy, go back to edit, paste in place. Then we use the eyedropper tool to paint it with this color, and we select the gradient tool to adjust it a little bit like this. Just a little bit. And now it's okay. And here we are, our logo is ready. We can adjust the opacity from here if we want. We make it 40%. Same thing here, 40%. In here, we make it 40% for all the 4 shapes or colors. Perfect. And this is the final look of our design. You can add text to it if you want. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to work on the next design. Thanks for watching.